Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I wanted to talk about all the little bits and bobs I've been up to over the last couple of days. And today I've been to Home Bargains on my never-ending quest for coffee. And I wanted to get a bath mat for the upstairs bathroom. I had a look in Asda yesterday because I went on a pet shop looking for biscuits and pet food, cat food and dog food, fish food. So while I was there, I thought, right, I'll go upstairs and have a look at the bathroom stuff. And there wasn't really anything that sort of struck me. They were plain ones and I wanted something with a bit of pattern. So I've ended up getting this. It's grey and sort of like an off-white cream colour. It's a bath mat and a pedestal mat. I'm not bothered about the pedestal mat, so I just wanted the bath mat. This was $7.99. I like the checkered design on it. And where is it? Yeah, there it is. It's on $7.99 bath mat set, and it's cotton as well. So I said to my son, I'll put the bath mat over the bath upstairs, and then when we're moving out it'll go in his treasure box, because I've started a box for him, because when I downsize, my youngest who's living with me, he's going to be looking for his place of his own, so I'm trying to buy little bits and bobs as I go along, which he can have. So I said to him, you can have the bath mat and that. It's just going to be like set dressing, so it looks like a proper bathroom. Please excuse me. I've got one of these plastic tubs. I've got quite a few of them now. These are $1.99. I'm trying to find it. 7 litre storage, $1.99. So I've got a few of them in the cupboard here. So I've got a dog food one, and I've got like one with toiletries and scrubby things in. So I wanted one for the cat food, because I bought a big box of cat food yesterday, and I thought, right, I'll use it for cat food. So the cat food pouches are going to go in there. I was made up because yesterday I bought a big box of cat pouches, and they were on offer for $15.50, and the 7 years plus is on it as well, because my cat's about 10, 11 now, about 11. So they tend to have more protein in for older cats. So that'll go in the cupboard. Me and my son are going to watch a DVD video night, movie night. We haven't done it for a while because we've both been tired. He's been doing some extra work and I've been doing a little bit of DIY. So tomorrow I'm going to paint my back room. So today I'll probably start moving furniture and stuff, some of it, and then crack on with painting the back room. I've got the paint there, the brushes there, so we're all good to go. And I'm going to do some filling around the skirting boards and paint them. And then while I've got the paint out, I'll paint the living room skirting boards as well. And in here as well, they need touching up too. So we got crisps for movie night. These fizzy belts, he loves these. Got some Mentos. The crisps were £3. The fizzy belts were, I think they were 79. Let's have a look. Super belts, yeah, 79. The curly whirlies were 125, and where's the Mentos? Mentos 99p. So we've got lots of rubbish we don't need, but we're going to scoff them. I get these when I go to Home and Bargain for my dog. They're called whirlers, and they're only 79p in Home and Bargain. Are they? Yeah, 79p, but they're double the price in Asda. So when I'm in there, I think, right, I'll get a packet of them. I got my son's usual Muller yogurts. And guess what? I got me coffee, yay! So I got 4. These are $1.49 each, so I've just spent £6 on coffee, but I'm a happy bunny. Because I was like, oh, finally I managed to get into Home Bargain. I've been to so many Home and Bargains over the last week or two, you wouldn't believe. Some in town, some locally. And I was just like, oh, thank goodness. So I'll be getting more bathroomy things over the next couple of weeks as well. to zhuzh them up, because I've got this shower hangy thing in my bathroom down here, and it's gone all rusty, and they've got them in Home Bargain for £5, so as you can see it's all rusty. So I'm going to invest in one of them for here, purely because A, we can take it with us, but B, so like I said, set dressing for when people come to see the house. Yeah. So yeah, so I'll show you what I've been up to in the living room. I know, dangerous, I know. Oh, I forgot to say, didn't I? See, I get distracted so easy. Yeah, I spent 25. There's a little look at me receipt. So rubbish for tonight's munchies while we're watching a movie, and lots of coffee for me. Yay! So I'll turn this light out. I bring me water with me because I'm always coughing on videos, aren't I? My throat gets dry with all the gabbing. So as you can see, I've got lots to clear because I need to do this alcove to paint, and this wall, the back of the door needs scrubbing. And if you look, see the skirting board's on flush with the wall because that one's straight in this house, so that needs filling. So I've got to fill it on standby. I was hoping to get more fillers today from Home Bargain, but they didn't have any. So hopefully that'll be enough, fingers crossed. And this alcove needs doing as well. I'm not painting the blue, I'm just going over the grey, and this is the paint I've got. Dulux Easy Care Polish Pebble. So I'm going to use that. Yes, Willowkinge, yes, Willowkinge. She's waiting for a walk because I've been shopping, and I thought to myself, I'll sit down 5-10 minutes, then I'll take her for a nice walkies. Got to shut the gate because she tries to eat our cat. The cat wants to be friends with her, but she doesn't want to be friends with the cat. So I've been stuffing me draft excluder. So this is literally a leg from a pair of old jeans of mine, and I've been stuffing it with all kinds of old bits of material. And I've just been cutting up some jeans for fabric. So I haven't thrown these in yet because I need to take the zips off, because I like to keep the zips because you never know what you might need them for. So that's a thing to do over the next day or two. So when I'm sitting on the bed watching telly, that's a nice little job to do while I'm watching the telly. And this weighs a ton. It's really heavy because it's stuffed with fabric. And then once it's done, I'll sew the top of the leg, put a loop on it, and there you go. Draft excluder from leftover fabric from old jeans and remnants of fabric. As you can see by the big pile of mess, I've been sorting through me wool, me yarn stash. Just move this out of the way. So this is the stuff so far that I'm going to put up for sale. It's not big enough yet. So these balls that I don't want, and a cone, because this is so thin. It's just like string or cotton, sewing cotton. So yeah, so I'll make a bundle with that. These are my pink collection from my last bundle I bought. I love all the sparkly ones. These are the pink bits I already had, pink and purples, because I'm going to make a blanket and a cushion for my son's girlfriend, the one up in Scotland. And these are the granny squares I've started doing. So she says she doesn't want any more green in it. That's fair enough. So I've made a little pile of green ones, green and blues. So what I'm going to do is I'll crochet them together, and I'm going to sew them to the front of this cushion cover that I've got. I picked this up in Bernardo's, 4 of them. Velvet, brand new ones. I'm going to put them on the back, and that'll be the front, so you can be reverse, or so it can either just be plain velvet, or it'll have the lovely green and blue granny squares on, so rather than wasting them. So that's another little project. So there's all my blues and greens in a little pile here. I like that, that's nice. And that's quite a bit different, isn't it? So I'll make some more squares with that. So as you can see, I've got loads and loads and loads and loads. I've got myself a t-shirt, a cheapy Primark one, because I often wear these like just plain tops in the summer. Primark one. And to zhuzh it up, I don't know if you remember the other week, I bought, it was in a clear bag in Bernardo's, and I was after the trim because I'm going to upholster my ottoman. And in the same bag was the curtains tape at the top, but there was also this black reel of lace, and it's sort of got a scallop to the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some, I'm going to put some round the edge of the t-shirt to make it pretty, and then I'm just going to keep going all up to about halfway up under the bust with this black lace, because I thought, well, rather than selling it and whatever, I'd rather use this. What do you think? So it's just a cheapy Primark like camisole vesty type top, and I thought it'll make her look really pretty. So I'm going to hand sew it. It's going to be a little hand sewy project, and I just thought, oh, that'll be good, because like my DIY is coming to an end soon, so I'm thinking I want some little projects to keep me going while I'm waiting for the house to sell, and then when it's all waiting for all the paperwork and everything to go through, because that takes about 3 months. So I thought it's just like little ongoing projects for myself, and I thought, well, those 3 reels there, the blue one and the curtain tape were £3.50, so it was about £1.15 each, and I thought for £1 I might as well use that. So it's nice, isn't it? Oh, I'll move it that way. So yeah, my top will have a scalloped edge, and then it'll be trimmed all in that. And my son got a freebie. His mate got a new bike. We got rid of it, my son's old bike, because it was just trash. It would have cost more than the actual bike to get it fixed, because he's had a hard life, because he used to ride it to work. And his mate got a new bike, and this used to be in his backyard, and the chain's rusted. We've been in the bike shop for a price and said 45 quid. So for the sake of a brand new chain, he's got a new bike. So like, he's a really happy bunny, because his mates often go out biking together. So once we've got it fixed and sorted, he'll be out with them as well, because he plays badminton with them once a week as well. So it's nice, he's getting out and about, and he's not just all work, because he does work hard. So yeah, I've got a freebie, and I just think, oh, so good. Very kind of him, very generous. There's my bike behind. And yeah, so I said, oh, we can come for a ride or two with me, because when we used to have our bikes up and running, we would go to the park together. It was nice. And grab an ice cream or something, and this is the perfect time of the year for it, isn't it? So I'm thinking as well, you probably want a new saddle, because that looks painful. I've been on eBay, and I've treated myself to this for storage. My older son's been looking for one, and this is going to go on top of the wardrobe for stashing all me fabrics and stuff in. So it's going to go on top of the wardrobe. If you see my video the other week, I got a wicker basket, Mr. Ranger Sir, Boo Boo, Yogi Bear, and this cost me £27 on eBay, and a lady had it about 15 minutes away, so I walked down and picked it up the other day. So I'm absolutely chuffed. And on the inside it's got one of those drawer things, a tray. So just try and open it up. See, it's got the tray. So I'm like, oh, so it's come with the original tray as well. That was 27. My son up in Scotland's been looking for one for ages, and he said they're being too far away, because he's like me, he doesn't drive. He can't drive because he's got a problem with his health, so he can't drive. He's not allowed to drive. So yeah, he's not been able to find one, and I've been looking for months and months and months, and then I picked this up, 27 quid. So happy, and it was right nearby as well, and the woman was absolutely lovely. We had a good gab about life, the universe and the pixies. and that was £27. So that's going to be a bit of a clean. Put some of my stash in it, put it on top of the wardrobe, put my wicker basket on top. So it's not even going to be in the way. And when I get up to Scotland, my son will get it, my oldest son. So yeah, a bit of thrifting, some freebies and some crafting on the way. So I was like, oh, brilliant. And I've got me coffee, yay! I sound like a total fiend, don't I? Totally addicted to coffee, but there you go. So please like, share and subscribe. Let me know if you've picked up any freebies or any bargain buys online from Vinted or eBay. And is there been stuff you've been looking for? Got stuff for house and stuff. So I hope to see you soon, and bye for now.